This is the Donner Essential L1, and this is the KB32M, and today we're gonna be making a track with it. This is actually a pretty affordable analog mono synth setup, which is a first for me, so I'm pretty excited about that. Pretty much all the effects are gonna be ran through these guitar pedals to give it a bit of space and energy. Also, all the drums that you're gonna hear on this track are from my Real Feel tape saturated drum pack. So if you wanna check that out, I'll leave a link down in the description, as well as a link for this analog setup. Let's start with some piano.
Maybe we should take it slow. I have been running out of steam with a dream that maybe we can let it go. All of these extras and additions to the scene, the places where our mind will go. Where are we headed? What direction at this speed? Where will we cause our mind to go? And will it make it hard to grow? Maybe we should take it slow and find the things we should have known. If we slow down and rest our soul, our future holds the key to all, and maybe we could hold it all. Stay in this moment, in the present, in this scene, a memory that we can hold. You and I sipping hot coffee by the street, simplicity that can't go wrong until the moment's dead and gone. The next thing comes to claim us all. Our memories all we have to hold. Maybe we should take it slow and find the things we should have known. If we slow down to rest our souls, our future holds the key to all, and maybe we could know the song, a memory of a day long gone, of when we had the time to bond, and we could write another song. Maybe we should take it slow and maybe we should calm the road. Maybe we should take it slow and find the things we should have known. If we slow down to rest our souls, our future holds the key to all, and maybe we should calm the road. Maybe we should stay at home, kick our feet up all night long. Baby, turn the coffee on. Maybe we should take it slow.
Once again, if you want to check out that drum pack, I will have a link down in the description. And if you want to keep watching, watch this video next. And as always, thanks for hanging out.